Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to watch YouTube videos even when your phone screen is turned off. You can listen to your favorite music, podcasts, or sermons without keeping the screen on. This helps save your battery life, prevents your phone from overheating, and is perfect when you just want to listen to the audio like motivational talks or songs without watching the video. But as you probably know, the regular YouTube app stops playing as soon as you turn off your screen, unless you're using YouTube Premium. The method I'm about to show you doesn't require Premium or any extra app. Open your browser. Either Google Chrome or Firefox, go to youtube.com. Once YouTube opens on your browser, tap the three dots at the top right corner of your browser and select Desktop Site. Now, what does Desktop Site mean? When you turn on Desktop Site, your phone loads the full computer version of the website instead of the mobile one. This makes the page look and work just like it would on a laptop or PC. And that's exactly what allows YouTube to keep playing even when your screen is turned off or minimized. After enabling Desktop Site, go to the search bar, type YouTube, and open it. You'll probably notice that it automatically redirects and opens the YouTube app instead of staying in Chrome. Let's fix that. Go to your phone's settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Find YouTube and open it. Scroll down and select Set as Default. Here you'll see an option called Open Supported Links. It's usually turned on by default, and that's why your phone keeps opening the YouTube app instead of playing YouTube inside Chrome. Simply toggle that option off, open Chrome again and search for YouTube, or tap your YouTube shortcut if you created one earlier. The page will now load directly in Chrome and appear in desktop mode. Search for any video or music you want to play and tap on it. Once it starts playing, press your home button or turn off your screen. If the audio stops, just pull down your notification bar and tap play. The sound will continue playing even with your screen off. From there, you can control playback, pause, skip, or move to the next track easily. And that's how you can play YouTube videos on your phone with the screen off. No YouTube Premium or extra apps needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.